So this is the new package from MCaffeine, and this contains one of the recent launches from MCaffeine. So let's start with the video. This is a little tempered, but this is not the way I received. Actually, this happened from my end, so I have complete faith on this packaging. So let's unbox. Here is the main product which I ordered, and this is Coffee Addiction Lip Gift Kit, and this is the pouch I have received for purchasing this. This is very cute, I think, as you can see. A very cute pouch. So let's move to the real product. So this kit contains lip scrub, lip balm, lip sleeping mask, and lip polishing oil. So let's see how the products look. This is really great. I mean, look at this, perfect to gift for Valentine's. Okay, so I'm opening this, and here it is. Wow, I am loving it. So this is the lip sleeping mask, this is the lip balm, this is the lip scrub, and this is lip polishing oil. I am just loving it. And these are all again sealed, so I'll open this, and trust me, I'm loving it. And to be honest, MCaffeine doesn't to be honest, MCaffeine always surprises me with their packaging. So I'm opening the lip polishing oil, and this is the thing. This comes with a metal roll-on ball, and here it is. And it smells great, just like my perfect cup of coffee. And then I have lip balm, and you can see the texture. Here is the texture, you can see. It's very creamy. And then I'm going to open lip scrub. Okay, so this has a very soft granules, and so this has a very soft mild granules, and I believe this will not make the lips dry. So this is again sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask, and
from there. Lip sleeping mask. So we are working.
Okay. So this is the texture you can already see, and this is quite thick. I like it, but also I already use Laneige lip sleeping mask, and compared to that, this one is a little liquid, so I don't know how it going to work. Probably I would say that in my next video, but apart from that, I still have faith in them. So these are the products I have already showed you. You can see, and I think these are perfect if you want to give someone something unique for the Valentine's Day. Okay, so I am making this video on Rose Day. I got this one. You can see this one, a little glittery thing, since I love glitters. So this video is for people who want to give something unique on the Valentine's Day, and this would be a perfect thing to gift because this is useful, and also comes this packaging. I mean, after seeing this, who can resist themselves? So you can just buy, and in case if you want a discount, I am giving a link. You can get a discount on the same. Okay, and I have other MCaffeine videos as well. The links are over here. So if you like this video and you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends who you think would find this useful as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also let me know if there are other videos that you would like me to make. Thank you. Bye.